Welcome back to Brookie Outdoors. It's time for the monthly Monsterbass unboxing. This is the platinum box for the month of August and is for the bass only package. I just got this in today. Let's see. Oops, may have cut that. Hopefully not. Yep, put a hole in it. Oh well, it'll be alright. But if you're not careful, you do that. Okay, first off here we've got a frog. Looks pretty cool. Let's see. Has extra legs. Let's see if there's a color pattern. Nothing that indicates a color pattern, other than it's just a green frog. Oh, Monsterbass sticker. Greenfish tackle hammerhead buzzbait. 3/8 ounce. That should work pretty good, I think. Jean LaRue Hammer Crawl. Green pumpkin blue. Or grande bass worms. Let's see, 8-inch megatail rattlesnake. Morning dawn color. Looks pretty nice. Bo's Jigs. 3/8 ounce peanut butter and jelly. I call that more of a crawl. Well, no, it's got purple in it. So. Rage tail rodent roadkill color, maybe? Punch bug, grass grenade, whatever you want to call it. Let's see, we've got a topwater Mach K. Oh, Catch Outdoors Mach K. Excuse me. Popper 70. Pro Blue. Let's see. And just their flyers, all that's left. I try to catch their live streams, but I don't always make it due to everything else going on in my life. But I try. It's got things about the baits, live streams, features, stuff like that. I don't think I've ever seen a recipe before, but I'll have to go back and double check. I'm guessing the Rage Tail is supposed to be like a trailer for the jig, maybe? Oh, it seems kind of big. Or maybe the Jean LaRue. Probably the Jean LaRue. And there you go. That's everything that's in there. Just a quick thing, guys. I am looking for a knife like this with a more serrated edge, or not, well, less serrated edge, more like a traditional fish scaler instead of that serrated edge. I'm looking for one that's got a scaler like that with a hook remover, but in that length. I like the bigger knife and the longer blade, or fish scaler hook remover. I just don't like this finely serrated when it's like they didn't understand the purpose of that when they made this cheap copy. So if you have anything else, well, actually that'll be it for today. See you guys next time, and hopefully soon I'll have a fishing video. I got some time off coming up in a week or so, so it'll be hopefully then. See you guys later.